Hello everyone, I think I will be right when I say that we all like our hair to look good and we do put in that effort to take care of it. But we don't realize that the bottles that we reach for, the shampoos, the conditioners, the serums, all that come in pretty bottles are actually harming a lot of things in our body. So today I'm going to share with you a recipe and show you how to make a shampoo that can keep our hair clean and in good health. It is very simple and easy to make, and most of the ingredients actually that we will be using are easily found either in your kitchen or your garden. Only a few of the ingredients that are required in this recipe are a must, and we can easily get them from the store or online, but the rest that I used are all optional. So the next time you're using onions in your kitchen, whether they're red, yellow or white, don't throw away the peels because that's what you're going to need here. As likewise with avocado peels, lemon peels. This is soap nut, which is an essential for this shampoo because this is what gives it the soapiness or the froth. This is shikakai, which means fruit for the hair, and this along with soap nut is available in your local Indian store. As you can see, you have to take about 3 cups of water and keep adding all these ingredients in it. You might notice banana peels in there as well. Throw in some pieces of whole aloe vera leaf with the thorns cut off on the sides. Bunch of fresh curry leaves and neem leaf if you have. Mix in everything and put it in a pan along with the water on the stove. Add half to 1 teaspoon of chickpea flour. A couple of tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Mix it all in well. And that's a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. You could crush them in a mortar before adding them in. The other optional item is about a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Keep mixing everything in. It is amazing that you get such a wonderful product out of things that you consider waste and trash. And when you add in some aromatic herbs like rosemary and mint, you get a beautifully fragrant shampoo along with the richness of nutrition that they provide, which is even there in the peels that you thought were waste, like the onion peels and avocado peels. These are hibiscus leaves, and if you have it growing in your yard, please do throw in some of these as well. Run some water over them so the dirt can be washed away and add them to the pan. All of these ingredients, whether it's the peel or the leaves, add their own special something in maintaining the health of the hair and keeping it clean. After the water has come to a boil, you might want to simmer it, so reduce the flame to sim. Keep giving it a gentle stir in between. The water will keep reducing in quantity as you cook this concoction. After about 30-40 minutes of slow cooking, you can turn the gas off and allow it to cool. Once it is cool, you have to crush and squeeze it so all the goodness of juices comes out from the peels and the leaves. You might notice that bubbles start forming as you squeeze because of the soap nuts that you put in. You can add 3 to 5 soap nuts in this mix. After you've squeezed it well for a few minutes, it is time to strain and separate the solids from the liquid that you'll be using as shampoo. Keep giving the mix a nice squeeze as you pour and strain. If you've put more soap nuts, about 4 or 5 of them, you'll notice that beautiful bubbles just keep forming as you squeeze and strain. And there you have your shampoo ready for use. Store them in glass bottles in the refrigerator, and you can use about half a bottle every time you wash your hair. And the shampoo stays good in the refrigerator for about 2-3 weeks. This is a recipe shared by Dr. Khader and his daughter, Dr. Sarla, and I'm happy to share it here with you. In making this shampoo ourselves at home, what we will gain is a product that is free of all the toxic chemicals that are found in most of the shampoos and conditioners that are sold in pretty plastic bottles today. There is nothing pretty about plastic. Plastic is killing life. It is polluting our land. It is killing life in the ocean. It is actually disintegrating into small particles and dispersing in the air that we breathe into our bodies. In following this wonderful recipe, we will be reducing the amount of plastic that goes out into our beautiful earth. At the same time, we will be stopping these toxic chemicals from entering our body. Even some of the Ayurvedic and natural, so-called natural products that are sold out there contain these chemicals, and a list of these harmful toxic chemicals can actually be found on the EWG website, a link for which I'm sharing here in the description. I've been using this do-it-yourself, make-it-yourself at home shampoo for a few weeks, and I can tell you that it is great, and I'm never again going back to using a cleanser out of a plastic bottle. And I am sure that once you try it, you will agree with me.